Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It's looking okay so far. I'll tell you the weather though. The weather's not good. 59 degrees outside, pouring down rain. Gonna rain all day today. But we've got Dark Bro first in the chat. What's going on, Dark Bro? 1776, Keith, Dark Bro, Nick F. Good morning to you. Mo G, Frank, Dark Bro, John J, J Bones, 1776, D's, John J, D's. We've got Old Rounder, Killer Pasia, Dark Bro, D's, Dark Bro, Peter, D's, Emma D, D's. Pika Power, Dark Bro, D's, Dark Bro, Sky Stonify, John J, Emma D, Hemi Life, Pika, Lakota, John J, D, Sky Stonify, Pika, and D's. My goodness, good morning to all of you guys. Let's check the market out this morning. Not doing as bad as it was earlier for crypto. We had a nice sell-off right here and trying to bounce back a little bit, but we've got AMC sitting up $6.49 right now. 5.87% gain on the day. The stocks, man, the stock market is liking the action we've been seeing over the last couple of days here. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 953 right now. It's down 6% on the day. GameStop up 1.60%. Bitcoin sitting at 16.7 at the moment, down 4.50%. I don't know if it's trying to curl back over or not, but has been bouncing in this, I would say, slightly descending range over the last couple of hours here after selling off this morning. We got the NASDAQ actually doing pretty well today, up 0.73%. Bior Therapeutics is up 3.77%. AMC doing well, almost 6% higher. Ethereum, Shiba, Bitcoin, and Doge all down at the moment. Sundial sitting 5.5% higher on the day. Mullen Auto down 7.58% at 30.5 cents per share. CEI, my goodness, dude, CEI is cheap. 13 cents per share for CEI. The SPY turning from green to red, red to green right now, sitting right there at break even. BBIG, 81 cents. Highcroft Mining, 86 cents. Netflix sitting at $283.66. Terra Luna Classic, kind of low right now. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 18.3. QQQ sitting 0.5% higher, and Ape 5% higher on the day, going from like $1.25 a couple days ago to $1.47 at the moment. Not a bad bounce on Ape shares right there, but nonetheless, $1.47 still extremely low on Ape. Let's watch Bitcoin and see what happens here, see if it's able to recover or if it starts to fall back down, and we'll stay interested and up to date on that. Bargain basement prices again. Dark Bro, yes, that's what we got, man. John, thank you so much. Mo, don't smell my rose. It's not for you, something I have no idea what's going on right now. Yo, first like always, Razi first, baby. Do you think Shiba can hit half a penny by 2025? I think the only way Shiba's gonna hit half a penny by 2025 is if Shibarium actually does burn multi-trillions per year, not billions, trillions. Half a penny price point puts us at, I believe, like a $2.5 to $3 trillion valuation. That is extremely high, higher than any cryptocurrency has ever gone before. So if we're able to burn multi-trillions of Shiba Inu coin every year until 2025, then I don't think it's an impossibility. But that puts a lot of pressure on Shibarium to really burn massive amounts of Shiba Inu coin. 2 feet of snow and 34 degrees. What? Dude, 2 feet of snow is a lot of snow. Sky Stonify, that is ridiculous, man. J Bones, good day to you. Emma D, good day to you as well. J Bones, you too, man. J Bones. Sky, where are you? We need to know because 2 feet of snow is a lot. Mount Shasta, California. My goodness. That's way too much snow, man. When will FTX token hit meme status and have an unknown development team get paid first when they try to rebuild a broken token? Soon, my friend. Soon. It could happen right now. I mean, FTX token has a valuation actually much lower than Terra Luna Classic's valuation right now. Where we at? Let's pull it up. Dude, FTX token is currently worth about the same amount. I think Terra Luna Classic got down to about 250 million, somewhere in that range. FTX is currently worth 367 million, which is very similar to what Terra Luna Classic was worth when it spiraled out of control. So, yes, dude, soon it will be held hostage. Wouldn't you like to just know the code, and then you could go out there, trick everybody into thinking that you were going to rebuild the FTX, well, not even blockchain, but you were going to rebuild the FTX platform and make it worth something again, and then all of a sudden just skim like a couple $1,000 a month off of them, a couple $1,000 a week off of them, something like that. Razi, thank you very much for the super chat. Razi says, how long should I wait until I jump back into LUNC after shaving half my position at the beginning of this week? It's a very good question. The thing I'm watching right now are these exchanges. That's the thing I'm watching. So these exchanges, dude, have been doing some crazy shady stuff. And Crypto.com is trying to make everybody feel better by releasing their reserves and showing how much they sit on. I would expect that some other exchanges may do the same thing. But I'm watching what happens to these exchanges. Dude, if FTX just completely screws everybody over the same way that Voyager did and all of that, I honestly think that this is going to be not the reset for crypto, but essentially the reset for crypto. If these exchanges, what they were doing, did not work out, like if they were just stealing everybody's money, they're no better than a scam token on a Binance Smart Chain. And I don't know if it's regulatory oversight that's needed to make sure these idiots don't lend your money out and invest it over leveraged in some hedge fund that their cousin runs, or what the solution is, that if they're just simply not allowed to reinvest your money. I don't know what the answer is, but that's what I'm looking at to determine kind of, if you're not looking at the overall economy and the economy improving, you got to look at the microeconomic specter and see what each exchange is doing and whether or not they're going to continue to fail. Ryan, BTC hitting 14K end of year. BTC probably hitting 10K before the end of the year. And, my gosh, dude, this guy really, really, really wants this impersonation. I know he does, but I am the worst impersonator of my entire life, man. I've never met anybody worse at impersonating than I am, dude. Never in my life have I met anybody worse than me. Ryan, maybe. I can't even say maybe, dude. It pains me to do it. It's like worse than the cat and worse than the cow put together. Wow, I'm in Colorado, like 40 miles away from the Rocky Mountains, and we don't have any snow. It's coming, Deez. It's coming. Oh, Deez, watch out, man. Watch out. Expose Binance. We need to expose Binance for what they are. I still don't trust crypto.crap. Hey, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. They're trying to do their best, right? It's kind of backfiring on them because they do hold a lot of Shiba Inu coin, and people were making fun of them this morning for holding Shiba Inu coin. But that's kind of what we're seeing right now, man, is that these exchanges are trying to be a little bit more transparent so that people... Here's my main concern, okay? Razi, think about it this way, too. Even if these other exchanges don't necessarily announce that they're going bankrupt, if people realize what's going on, and this is the crazy part to me that I can't comprehend. So, when it happened to Celsius, nobody really cared. When it happened to Voyager, nobody that wasn't on Voyager really cared. When it happens to FTX, seems like nobody really cares. When it happens to Crypto.com, it's going to seem like nobody really cares. When it happens to KuCoin, it's going to seem like nobody really cares. At what point, man, do you just take these people by the neck and say, why do you not care? I get it if they don't have crypto on it, but what this is going to lead to, worst case scenario, what this leads to is people beginning to care and then withdrawing their cryptocurrency off of these exchanges. And when they do that, when they go for a run on not just one exchange like FTX, and withdrawing $6 billion. But when they go for a run for their crypto and try to withdraw it, either to cold storage wallets, DeFi wallets, or completely cash out, you are going to see a cash out that may or may not even be allowed. If the cryptocurrency market cap right now is like $700 billion, or I don't even know what it is, but let's just say $700 billion or somewhere close to that. Crypto.com sitting on $3 billion worth of crypto right now. I don't know how much Binance has. They haven't told us. I don't know how much KuCoin has. They haven't told us. I don't know how much Crypto.com has. They haven't told us. But if people go to start withdraw their crypto, and these other exchanges pause or halt withdrawals because they know they're only sitting on a combined $20 billion worth of crypto, $50 billion worth of crypto, that's going to be catastrophic for prices. And it's the run on the crypto and the fear that's going to drive people to withdraw their cryptocurrency. That absolutely could happen. We got to see if it does, but it absolutely could happen. D's, man, thank you very much for the super chat. D says, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Peek. Yes, D's, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. Loving it, man. Crypto's the wild, wild west, baby. Crypto is the wild, wild west. Nailed my last bit of TQQQ calls this morning. So to 29 cents, Clay Bro Who. Yes, tell Aunt Nancy, man, that she's really looking out for you right now, Bronson. Killing that trade there. My goodness, dude. Bronson is the king of the QQQ. Is it 20, 80, 70, 30, or 60, 40 exchanges fail possibilities, percentage? What's your guess? Well, I'll say this, dude, and I don't know. I think it's a 100% chance these exchanges fail if they're doing what the ones that have previously failed have done. Meaning, if they're taking our money and loaning it out to some hedge fund or some Alameda Research or some other trading firm, and trying to make money that way, 100% chance that they fail. I'm going to give them a 100% chance that they fail, dude. So the question is, and this part I don't know the answer to, is Crypto.com, is KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Binance, are they lending our money out, or are they simply making money off of transaction volume and transaction fees? There's no way that they necessarily fail if they're only making money off of our transactions. So what would happen in that situation? A smart company, what they would do, let's say transaction volume declines drastically. Well, they're not in debt necessarily at that point. They're not underwater with their crypto holdings. They don't owe their customers billions of dollars. The threat is that they've got more overhead than revenue that they're bringing in. In that case, they just fire people. They lay them off. They lay them off. So instead of having a couple thousand employees, they just lay them off, man. And your money's still safe at that point, and the exchange is still safe at that point. The people who were laid off from these exchanges can go get a job somewhere else. But it prevents the bankruptcy of that exchange. So if they're not lending our money out, I don't think that they fail. If they are lending our money out, I think there's a 100% chance that they fail. We've basically seen a 100% hit rate so far. It's just a matter of timing as to when they go under. Seems like exchanges with native cryptocurrencies tied to the exchanges that are using them as collateral that are failing. Coinbase doesn't have one of those. Crypto.com does have one of those. KuCoin does have one of those. Binance has one of those. Basically, every other exchange does have one of those. Like and subscribe. Bro, Clay's entertaining AF. Ryan Johnny, man, thank you very much. Tiffany put most of my savings into LUNC. I'm scared. Tiffany. Well, I'll say this, Tiffany, and this might sound harsh, right? If you put so much in that you are scared, you probably put too much in, right? I know the feeling. So That's not to be harsh or anything, but you probably put too much in if you're scared right now. Buenos dias, Juana. Buenos dias, my Juana. How are you doing today? Pika Pika. What's up, girl? Calibro, the 650K cover calls. Might be buying back in on Monday. Keep banking that premium. My 750 cover calls are looking nice. Well, far away for now, right? Far away for now. The market is doing very well, dude. The market is, to me, surprisingly up amongst all of the volatility that we got. Soaring drastically on the CPI data yesterday, and surprising to me, continuing to soar today, up another 1+% today. I find it hard to believe that it's able to sustain these gains after a 7+% gain yesterday, but it seemingly is. I also agree, dude. I don't think this is going to jump up to 750. I would be surprised if it does jump up to 750. But, dude, yesterday surprised the crap out of me. So, I guess we'll have to see what takes place there. But Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is trending nicely higher at the moment, sitting at 16,861. And AMC is running up to, let's see what we've got over here. FTX token. We'll pull that back up in a second. FTX token is sitting at $2.70, 71 cents at the moment. $359 million market cap. We've got another one highly tied to FTX right now is Solana. And Solana is sitting at 1622 right now. It is seemingly curling back over the last couple of hours here. Seemingly curling back over, sitting at a $5.8 billion market cap right now. 1623 on Solana. We have not seen Tectonic in a minute. We'll look at Tectonic here. Tectonic sitting at 11. Actually, Tectonic holding on to some gains better than a lot of other coins are right now. Still at a $12.3 million market cap. Very low market cap for Tectonic. But nonetheless, these coins are very, very volatile today. And 1622 sitting here. We'll go back out and see what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin might be falling off a little bit right now. But a little purple line. But we've still got an ascending trend line coming throughout the last, I would say, hour or so here. We'll see if that holds up or if we end up breaking back down, as we've got a little bit of intraday resistance in this area right here. So forming an ascending wedge. We'll see if it breaks to the upside or to the downside. We'll keep our eyes on that. 10 Dogecoins is too much. I'm scared. I'm down a lot on Dogecoin. Might lose it all. 10 Dogecoin is just a lot, man. 10 Dogecoin is a lot. D's. Nope. I don't think it's possible at this point. Darn it. I know I missed something. Can Shiba not reverse split? Crypto reverse split. So Jason, Alex, yes. Crypto can essentially reverse split. Shiba Inu coin cannot, though. So if you were going to do a reverse split on a cryptocurrency, you would need to make sure that you still have access to the contract that governs the cryptocurrency. And access to that contract has been renounced. They cannot make changes to Shiba Inu coin. If they did, or if they could, what those changes for a reverse split would essentially look like would be, okay, well, we'll start a Shiba Inu coin 2.0, very similar to a Terra Luna 2.0. And instead of allowing people to continue holding Shiba Inu coin and Shiba Inu coin 2.0, we'll put a 100% transaction tax on Shiba Inu coin. At that point, they get airdropped or they claim their Shiba Inu 2.0, which would be a much higher price, but much less coins. And then the Shiba Inu becomes worthless because you literally can't do anything with it. Any transaction just destroys it. So that would be the way that a reverse split would work. Shiba Inu coin cannot do that because they do not own the contract for Shiba Inu coin, and therefore they can't change the supply like that. Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Croy. What's going on, Roz? It will all work out. I'm from the future. Nice. Future Pika. I love it. My wife got scammed 5K in Bitcoin the other day. YouTube, Tesla, Elon. My gosh. Dude, Sky Stonify, I honestly, I hate scammers. I hate scammers and I hate thieves. I know it's a very strong word, but it's a very strong feeling. I don't like them at all, man. I don't like them at all. I really don't. And I know that doesn't make anything, like, it doesn't make it better. It doesn't get any money back to you, but I cannot stand it, man. I cannot stand those people. Don't get me started. Like, you guys are going to get me all messed up this morning, and don't do it. Ryan! Dude, BTC 10K win. Elaborate. Solana hitting $1. LFG. All right, yeah, so Ryan, obviously I don't know for sure, right? I can't guarantee anything like that. But Solana hitting $1, I don't think is impossible. I don't know how low Solana would go, though. But Bitcoin hitting 10,000, I do not think that that's crazy. I do not think that that is impossible. I don't even think that it's that far-fetched, okay? What we were looking at and what we've been looking at for the last several months here, dude, since, my gosh, we've probably had those 10s on since Bitcoin was at 40,000 and fell through this little area in here at like 36. So we knew that this would be like the next range of support at 30 and then again at 20. And Bitcoin ended up forming this range, this channel right here from the 1920 and then, or the 2021 and then the 1918 levels of support. When it broke through that, these are the lines that we have on the chart down here as essentially major levels of support. And where do we get this 12 and this 10? We got to go all the way back to 2020. And we can see that this level of support right here at 12,000 comes from this little month-long process that it spent trying to break up. It could not break up through 12,000. It was using this as a very strong level of resistance for roughly a month. Fell back down to this 10 and then did finally break up. The 10, however, is a much stronger level of support than the 12 was. You know, testing it here, support, 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 support. Broke down, resistance, 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 resistance. Broke through, broke up, support, support, support. So we do have support at $10,000. The little levels that we're at right now, man, the little levels that we have tested over the last couple of days, they're not random, okay? So you can see when it started to run up at the end of 2020, Bitcoin tested this $16,000 mark. And bounced off of it, broke up, and retested it as support. Basically one time, man. So a little test of resistance, a little test of support for breaking back up. And then as it broke up, came back down and tested this 17 as a level of very, very small support. So these levels, this 15.7 and this 17, that is exactly where we're at right now, man. Watch, we'll come over here. And you can see that these little levels that we just talked about, we didn't put these lines on here today. I did put these lines on a couple days ago, but they're from the support levels from way back at the end of 2020. We tested the 15.7 area yesterday and the day before, and we bounced off of it. Now we're coming back down, and we're right here, right where we just said that we were at this 16.8 level. If this little 1 week period of resistance that we had back here in 2020, if it gets broken, we may have a little area right here at 13,000. But below that, with a little bit more strength, is 12,000 and then 10,000. So what could cause a breakdown through those levels? There's so many things that could cause a breakdown through those levels, dude. The next CPI release, the next Federal Reserve meeting on interest rates, another exchange going down, another exchange limiting deposits and withdrawals. There's crypto is on the edge right now, and anything that kicks it over, boom, could drop it off down to that 12 to 10,000 range. Patrick, thank you very much. Patrick says hydration time. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee, Patrick, dude. Thank you very much for the coffee. Patrick, man, thank you. Yes. And I got a little water on my mustache there. It feels a little wet. Well, okay, never mind. Also, don't trust me. I'm straight vegan. Yeah, everybody. Now I trust M&D even more. Scott, feel for you, man. I got scammed too. Never send your keys, crypto to anyone. Be vigilant. Learn from your yeah, it's a very expensive mistake too, and I hate hate scammers and thieves. Don't make me think about it even more than I'm already thinking about it, man. I hate these scammers and I hate these thieves with more of a passion than you guys would probably ever know. And it looks like crypto may, as indicated by Bitcoin, is not following that ascending trend line anymore, but might be breaking back down and going to the downside there. Let's take a look. We've got Dogecoin kind of curling over as well. Shiba Inu coin curling over as well. Ethereum, not necessarily curling over as much. Ethereum actually still holding up with this trend line that it was at. Bitcoin, got a little green line there, but Bitcoin may have busted that ascending trend. Going out to the crypto.com. Coin market cap, we can see Solana down slightly from 1620 to 1617 there. And then FTX token is sitting at 271, basically exactly where it was at. Now FTX token not moving at all. FTX token, guys, losing billions of dollars in value over the last couple of days. Very, very tragic losses for FTX token there. Crazy to see those types of declines, man. Patrick, happy Veterans Day, y'all. Happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. Have a hot dog and a banana, brought to you by Carl's Jr. Name that film. I have no idea what that film would be. You guys can name it, but I've got a hot dog. To all the veterans who don't know how to eat a hot dog, you take the hot dog and you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever that dip is, you dip it in. And when you're done dipping the hot dog in your favorite dip, you shove it. And just in case you were wondering how to eat a banana the proper way, it's called the lick and stick technique. You take the banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Eye contact, the most important thing right there. Thank you very much, Patrick. I'm sure all of the veterans are very, very happy to see how to properly eat a hot dog and how to properly eat a banana. I'm sure you guys all knew, though. CZ is godfather of LUNC. Yeah, 5G Silva. CZ has been doing a lot for Terra Luna Classic. I'll agree with that, man. He's been doing a lot for sure. FTX could have bought 3 to 400 trillions of Shib and burn it, causing the price to skyrocket and bail themselves out that way. What do you think, guys? I'm going to tell you what I honestly think, dude. They probably were doing that. Okay, they probably were, and that's why they're in the mess that they're in, is because they were just going out, dude, and taking billions of dollars and investing them in whatever they wanted to invest them in with no repercussions, the same way Voyager did. They're just letting Alameda Research go out there, and, well, you think that that's a great buy? You want to get into Dogelon Mars? Get into Dogelon Mars, and then buying billions of them. Not billions of Dogelon, but billions of dollars worth of coins like that. And that's probably how they ended up in the situation that they're in. I'll tell you, dude. I'll tell you. Greed is crazy. It is. It is. And I know that's why a lot of us, we make bad decisions sometimes, because I also want to hit a trade where I make, $1 million overnight. I have that same desire, right? I think we all do. We all want to go out there and just make a ridiculous, boom, people are going to be talking about this throughout the rest of history type of a trade. And that type of greed can get to you, especially when you have access to billions of dollars. Think about it. How easy would it be? Oh my goodness. How easy would it be to I'm just going to borrow. Well, only $1 billion. I'm going to borrow $1 billion out of the $3 billion that we've got in our reserves here. And all I've got to do is go get a hedge fund that'll 3, 4, 5x leverage this. And if I can 5x leverage it, as soon as Shiba Inu coin goes up 20%, I made $1 billion on 5x leverage with a borrowed $1 billion. I made $1 billion overnight. And then Shiba Inu coin goes down 10%. And then you're just starting to shake, man. You just lost $500 million overnight. So you borrow another one and double down to get it. And it goes down again. That's the type of activity that put us in the position that we're in right now. Dark bro! Bro, I'm about to go pose as Dokwon and title that tweet saying, I'm back. And that will give the market the push. Yes, I'm a devil. Do it, man. Dark bro. Do it. Whatever you got to do, man, do it. You know why I say that? Because it's not wrong. Like, there's nothing in the crypto space that would say that that's wrong to do. CZ Binance went out there and announced that they were selling $500 million worth of FTX, and everybody ran on FTX and withdrew their coins. Push the market, man. If the market's ready to jump, push it. Dark Bro, I like it, man. If you can make it happen, make it happen. Jebly, man, I don't know how to read the rest of that part there, but thank you very much. Found this as a chance to get 100 million Shibs. I'm new to crypto and got until 2044 to hold. Maybe I get money back by then. Yes. Dude, I think you'll get money back by 2044, man. I don't know why 2024 or 2044 is your cutoff. I don't know if you plan on retiring in 2024, what the deal is, but yes. Here's my rationale when I say that we could see such gains by 2024 that we can't even fathom it yet. If you're looking 24 years out, okay, and you go 24 years back, dude, you're talking 1998, man. You're talking 1998. You're driving around, you're riding around in your parents' car and you hit a bump and your CD player skips. Your portable CD player skips, dude, with every little bump that you hit. You go to McDonald's or you go to those places, they got them little music packs that you stick that tiny little thing in and it plays like 15 seconds of a song. Like, that's the kind of technology that we had in 1998. Dude, you're still talking... You're 10 years prior to the iPhone, the original clunky little iPhone being invented. I mean, you had cell phones, dude, that you could run over them with your car, and they would still work. Pagers. People were carrying pagers around. That's the type of stuff that we were dealing with 24 years ago. So imagine how bad they're going to be laughing at us 24 years from now. They're going to be like, dude, that idiot was on some sort of a smartphone doing a little podcast about crypto 24 years ago. My God, those guys were idiots. Like, we're going to see such advances over the next 24 years that I honestly, if you can dream it, it will probably be here 24 years from now. And stuff that you can't even fathom will be here 24 years from now. I really do believe that, man. I really do. Anybody else agree or disagree with that? Like, I honestly think that the advances that we're going to see in the next 24 years, as long as they don't destroy us, let me put it that way, as long as they don't destroy us with, some new virus or some, just shut us down and all of that, and nobody's able to innovate and develop anymore because we're in some sort of a society where everybody's income is limited and there's no reason for innovating anything. As long as they don't do anything like that, I think that if you can dream it right now, you can absolutely make it a reality 24 years from now. Michael! Fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom. Fist, boom, baby. Michael, dude, thank you very much. The most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen. It is Michael Allen. I'm 40 now, 2044 retirement. Gotcha. Hey, Jebly, dude, I believe it, man. I believe in it. Peak of power. We got a little king puppy to Monty the pup. Feel better, buddy. I gotcha. King pup. Peak of power. Thank you very much for King Pup right there. Absolutely love it. Hope you feel better, buddy. I didn't even see what Monty was doing there. But I do hope you feel better. Early weekend, you already know. Dispensary day. What are you dispensing, Chris? What are you dispensing, Chris? You got to go get rid of some stuff, or what's happening? Chris is dispensing something, and I don't know what it is. Bro, instead of metaverse, we need a broverse. We do, Dark Bro. We do. I don't know what Chris is dispensing, though, but early weekend, I like it. Early weekend, I can get behind that, man. Happy Veterans Day. Smiley Guy, happy Veterans Day to you as well. Kalani, can I get a shout-out to Jess, to Have an awesome day. Yes, Jess. Jess, if you're listening right now, I hope that you have not just an awesome day, but the best day of your life. Seriously, Jess. Look, some crap might go down and it might not be good. Ignore it because you are going to have the best day ever. You think I'm kidding on that? Nope, not today. I don't know what it's going to be for us, guys. I hope that some of that good day vibes like jumps over to us as well. But Jess is going to have the best day ever. I don't know how. I don't know why. Take an opportunity, Jess. Walk through that door, but it will be the best day ever. Yes! And Kalani, you're going to have to report back on that, too, because now I'm excited. Dang it, man. Kalani's got me all excited. Hopefully not for nothing. Kalani, dude, don't miss the opportunity that's coming, man. You guys are going to have the best day ever there, and you got to let me know why. I need to know why, Kalani. Yo, don't keep me hanging on that one. Fake Clay Bros on this live stream. Who are you? Busted. I didn't even see it. You guys took care of him already? My gosh, I didn't even see it. Rossi. Green herbs. No need to congratulate. Early weekend because my company too poor for overtime. Chris, all right, very good. Too poor for overtime, not bad. Chris is gonna go get some vegetables. Gotcha. Chris going with the vegetables. Why is BTT running up? Why is BTT BitTorrent? Are you talking the? Nah, you're not talking that ETF there. You're talking, I don't know why BTT's running up right now. Let's take a look at it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at BTT and see. Oh, nope, not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Solana sitting at 1605. Not looking good there. BTT, ladies and gentlemen. BTT. It's not running up right now. You talking about this one? BitTeam token? Huh. I don't know exactly which one you're talking about. Doesn't seem to be running up. BitTorrent doesn't seem to be running up right now, so I'm not exactly sure which one you're discussing, which one you're looking at. Oh, where we at? Decided to be cautious with my 750 cash secured cover calls. Exited at an 80% profit. Ooh. Nice, Frank. Dude, nothing wrong with an 80% profit. My goodness, dude. Frank just destroys it day after day. Message me on Instagram. God, dude. There's fake Clay Bros everywhere, man. There's fake Clay Bros on Twitter. There's fake Clay Bros on Instagram. There's fake Clay Bros on TikTok. There's fake Clay Bros on YouTube. There's fake Clay Bros in the freaking Discord. There's fake Clay Bros everywhere. I should just change my name to the real Clay Bro. There, that'll solve all the problems. If I just change my name to the real Clay Bro, I think we'd be good to go. Right? Andre, please click the like button. Don't not listen to Andre. Sky Stonify, 2-month member chat, baby. Appreciate y'all. Love this community. Thanks, Clay. Sky Stonify, love this community as well, man. Thank you very much. And it is the best community, dude. I don't even care what people say. It's the best one. Clipper ST8 Ball, Sarah will get a green name. Will Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Croy, ever get a green name? Come on. All right. Without a doubt. It does say without. I don't know why it's not showing up. Without a doubt. Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Croy, without a doubt, will one day get a green name. Solana linked to FTT. Down the coin. Yeah, it is pretty heavily correlated with FTT. CZ is a petty son of a gun. Hey, man. The dude's winning. So, petty or not, the dude's winning. Welcome, Sky. Crypto can't reverse split. Jason Alex, I think I already answered that, man. Did you not hear so crypto can technically reverse split if you have control of the contract. So if you've got control of the contract, you can say, yes, okay, we're going to put a 100% tax on the old crypto, and you're going to be forced to move over to the new version of the crypto. And the new version of the crypto can be higher priced and lower supply. So technically it could, yes. It depends on which one you're talking about, because you need the keys to the you need the contract. You need to have access to the contract to make that change to the taxes and stuff. Let's see. Is this live stolen? Are you the real Clay Bro? Sometimes I wonder, man. Sometimes I wonder myself. Everybody want to be Clay Brah, but nobody can be Clay Bro. D's! What are you laughing at, D's? I can feel it. Sarah's gonna be green soon. Oh, yes. Sarah, you might be green soon. The April did say without a doubt. Rozzy! Plot twist! All those fake Clay Bros are Clay's burner accounts. So it is the real Clay Bro. Oh my god, dude. No, there's no way I've had that many fake. There's no way I got that many burner accounts. If any of you guys do, like if any of the moderators out there want to hide those fake Clay Bros from the channel, like, be my guest. Usually when I upload a video, I'll go through and try to hide everybody that either comes across with that, thanks to Miss Jeannie, I'm making $78,000 a week right now, and I couldn't have done it without her. Make sure to follow her on Telegram. Like those guys, I hide them, and then all of the fake Clay Bros, I try to hide them. I don't even know. Because they just literally come back by the next video. So I don't even know what to do about it, but it's ridiculous. Do something funny, bro. Do something funny, bro. Clay, expose Binance idiots. I don't know what to do that's funny, man. When you say do something funny, I don't know if I explained this to you or somebody else the other day. I just think of my grandma, man, trying to make you laugh before you get your picture taken at J.C. Penney. She just stands there behind the girl with the camera. Okay, grandma, that's really funny. Yes, love you. But it might be slightly weird. I don't know. So that's the best I got on that one. Patrick! Initial donation to the Real Clay Bro Revolving Fund. Oh, gosh, dude. We need a Real Clay Bro revolving fund to start now. Yes, we got to figure out who the real Clay Bro is. I think it's me, but I'm still not sure. I mean, I do have a set of stickers right here that would indicate that I am the real Clay Bro. So I don't know if it's me or not. Technically, I could have just fake printed those stickers out too. So it's very confusing sometimes, man. The internet definitely confuses people. Quick question. Should I take long or short now on Ethereum futures? Sanskari. Yes. Yes. So the question is, Sanskari, and it's a difficult one to answer. But are you going to be like just scalping it? Are you trying to make a quick trade right now? Is it going to be on leverage? Is it something you're wanting to swing over the next couple of days, weeks? Is it something you're wanting to hold for a while? Because my thoughts are, I really don't know what's going to happen throughout the rest of the day today. Obviously, it's a very volatile day. We're seeing some gains, some dips, some gains, some dips, some gains, some dips, some gains, some dips, some gains right now. But when it comes to the near-term future, if you look at, let's go 4-hour chart. If you look at 4-hour chart on Ethereum, we can still see that right now we're just bouncing off some support down here, and we might be curling back over. So shorter term, I still think that we've got some downside. And then if you break it out onto the daily, I still think that this daily trend that we're looking at here is going to continue on. And we're going to continue to see lower lows and lower highs. How low do we go? It is all going to be dependent on how many exchanges die, the regulations out there, and all of that stuff. Do we see $100 again? I actually don't know. I don't think it's impossible, but I don't know. But if you're looking a couple years out, dude, I mean, I think we're gonna be well off a couple years out, and so it all depends on your trade setup, how long you want to hold it, and whether or not you're going leverage, dude. Because if you go in on leverage right now, and it's been trending up over the last hour and a half, and you leverage short it, and it just breaks this little line of resistance and comes up to 1277 from 1257, you may tap, man. Oh my gosh, that was all supposed to be big, but I was big. Dark Bro! What if he's a clone and the real one's locked up? Dude, you know how much more I could get done if I actually cloned myself? Holy crap, that would be amazing. Could you just imagine, dude? Could you just imagine? If I could either work twice as fast with the same level of efficiency, or had two of me. Scarstone4, thank you very much. Scarstone4, thank you for the mustache. Scarstone4, thank you for the mustache. Scarstone5, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Macarena for the fake play, bro. Ooh, yes, John J. Fake clay, bro. Because it was so fun. Fake clay, bro. Yes, man. Fake clay, bro loves that dance right there. Fake clay, bro wouldn't know how to do that dance right there. John J, man, thank you very much for the Macarena. Conspiracy time. It is, man. I'm Claybro's bodyguard. Ryan, thank you very much. I do need a bodyguard, man. I do need one. Where do I see Bitcoin next year? Champagne Poppy. Where do you see it, or where do I see it? I don't know where you see it. Well, the real Slim Claybro, please stand up. I did technically just stand up. Slim Clayme. Ooh, Slim Clayme. I like it. Clay, shout out Lottery Stocks. He's a real bro. Lottery Stocks is a real bro, man. Lottery Stocks in here? I like Lottery Stocks, dude. Lottery Stocks doesn't stop, dude. Lottery Stocks is just continuing to go on, man. That's like perseverance is huge. So Lottery Stocks, if you're in here, man, shout out to you. If you're not in here, well, Simon likes you. You can watch this later. We're investigating. There are multiple real clay bros. Think one guy can get all this content out and put in one day and still have time for Boston DLC with Shib, bro? I think not. It is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. I'm telling you right now, it's ridiculous. I don't even know how it gets done. Because you guys don't even know. I'm doing like another 4 shorts a day, too. I'm doing like another 4 shorts a day besides the 3 videos and the 2 live streams that you see here. There's like another 4 shorts going up over on TikTok. Trying to grow that over there and send those bad boys over here. More than you know. And some live streams over there sometimes, too. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. But it's happening. Crypto kind of sitting sideways, guys, over the last hour right now. Basically been bouncing back and forth between 16.8 and 16.7 right here. Not doing too much. We've got, not the one I wanted to click on. This is the one I wanted to click on. We've got Solana back up to 16.17 at the moment. It was at 16.23. It was at 16.05 just a minute ago, bouncing back up to 16.22. I would imagine that FTX is bouncing as well. FTX currently sitting at, is not seemingly bouncing, sitting at 271, 274. Seems to have been at 271, 274 throughout the entire morning here. So not much going on there in terms of FTX, but a little bit of a bounce from where we were. 1609 up to 1623 at the moment. Doesn't seem to be doing too bad. Holding its level. Razi! Macarena for La Pica Pica. Man, you guys love the Macarena, right? You love the Macarena. Pica Pica. Yes, Razi, man. Thank you very much for the Macarena. Hey, what does your shirt say? Bro, holding the hedge funds hostage. Still holding them hostage, man. Still holding the hedge funds hostage from last year. Patrick! For Ryan, I'll make him an offer he can't refuse. I didn't even see what Ryan said, man. I didn't even see what Ryan said, but are we going to be making, so we're making somebody an offer he can't refuse? Dang it, man. I didn't see what Ryan said there. That's my bad. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Don't feel like you have to shout me out every time, bro. Don't worry. Just here to hang out for a few clip. No, look, dude. Look, I shout everybody out, right? I shout everybody out. And I don't feel like I have to shout anybody out every time they come in here or anything like that. But I truly believe, right? There's 91 of us in here. That if you guys are doing something, I don't have to like force anybody to go support you or watch you or anything like that. But dude, listen, the best thing that you can do, I can either view you as some sort of a competition, right? Or we can be bros. And if you're a bro, think about this. If you're a bro, if I say, dude, go support lottery stocks. Watch some of that dude's content. Check him out. Very good guy. Very consistent and really grinding out there. Dude, if we just build up these brotherhoods, right? If we're all bros, imagine if all 91 of you guys were all supporting the other 91 of you guys. I mean, dude, if we all have each other's backs, not only do we grow 91 exponent 83, apparently I lost a bunch of people by saying support each other. Not only do it's 83 people have your back, but all 83 of us can grow together, man. It's so much better. Holding the hot dogs hostage. Yeah, should I, instead of hedge funds, should I just like hot dogs? Should I rip the hedge fund off and write hot dog on it? I think that might be what I do there. Chris says part 1. Oh, I love two-parters, man. Part 1. I had a weird idea for the multiverse. Usually, it's multiple versions of us in different universes, but take our 7 billion individual perspectives. That could be 7 billion multiple universes. God, dude. Chris has already started, and it is 12:52. I thought he was going to the dispensary already. I did not think that he was already back from the dispensary. I thought he was on his way, man. I thought he was on his way. But he's already started. This is going to be a long weekend for Chris. It's going to be a long weekend for Chris. Chris is already delving into the multiverse, and it's Friday afternoon. Part 2, existing in one giant universe. Dude, that's life, man. That's life. And this is actually more relevant than you think, Chris. This is actually more relevant than you think, dude. 7 billion different individual perspectives being 7 billion multiple universes, yes, within the one same universe. This goes to the current debate that's going on in life right now, man, as to whether or not there's any such thing as objective truth. There's people out there that'll tell you that I am not Claybro, right? That I am not Claybro. I am whoever they want me to be. And that this light right here is not purple because purple is how you perceive it. It's not an actual color. It's just whatever you want it to be. And this is not green. You guys can see this here. This is clearly green. This is not green. This is just whatever you want it to be. Truth is only subjective, not objective. And kind of what you're talking about right now, dude, is 7 billion different subjective truths and subjective universes that are going on all at once. Your universe may cross paths with my universe, but it doesn't mean that we're living in the same one. Chris, you're gonna have a long weekend, dude. Hopefully you got enough to keep you through Sunday or something, because you're just off to a great start right now. Not to support anyone, keep us all divided, and lets the government spending continue. Inflation rising, it's all chaos. Woohoo! Yes, it is, man. Have you heard about the tokenized security BS with AMC, Claybro? It is nuts. I don't think that I have lottery stocks. I don't think that I have. Because I don't think you're talking about like AMC 22 or whatever the crap these people were spamming the other day. Binance is being shady, man. BS support, trust me. I think everybody's being shady right now. Ryan, Johnny, man, I do trust you. I think everybody's being shady right now, dude. I really do. I think everybody's being shady, and I think that we could be on the verge of even more big declines, man. I am whoever you say I am, Claybro. No, dude, I did not say that. I did not say it. That was taken out of context. I am Clay, bro. I am not whoever you say. No, JB, you are not Clay, bro. I am Clay, bro. I don't care what your truth is. You are not Clay, bro. I am Clay, bro. There's only one truth when it comes to me being Clay, bro. All you fake account people out there. Now I know the fake accounts for all the wrenches. I knew it. Clay is one of them losers. Oh my gosh, dude. Chris, how many people you got hanging out with you right now, dude? How many people? It seems like you got all 75 of these people hanging out with you. Oh my goodness. What cryptos have I been buying? I took a short-term swing in FTX the other day. I did do okay on it. I had it at 330 and got out at about 360 on its way back down, and now it's at 270. So didn't have a bad swing trade on FTX there. I think that's the only one that I've been buying. I did take a couple other trades the other day, but I don't have anything open. It's not like I'm buying and stacking anything right now. A dumb question, but I'll ask it anyway. Not a dumb question. I can still buy FTT. Is it worth just throwing a little money in to see what happens? No, Jason K. So it's completely up to you, right? It's not necessarily dumb, but here's the risk you're running right now. They've pretty much announced that they're going bankrupt, dude. I mean, they're halting withdrawals across the board, and it does not look good for them. So if you're buying them right now, you're either going to be short-term swinging and trying to take advantage of some dip buying opportunities, or you think somebody's going to come in and basically bail them out and run them. That's kind of what you're looking at there. It's not dumb, but it is a major risk. It's a major risk like Revlon. Okay, I don't know if you were around a couple months ago when Revlon was going from like $1 to $11 a share, but Revlon announced bankruptcy, and for some reason people jumped in and bought them, and that could be what we're seeing right now. People might jump in and buy FTX because they seem very cheap, but their underlying fundamentals are death. So just be careful if you are going to do that. Liberal could be Kim Kardashian in alternate reality. I could be, man. I absolutely could be. We Are Clay, bro. Has a nice ring to it. You guys are going to kill me, man. You guys are going to kill me. There's no such thing as truth. There simply is perspective and personal exposures that shape and hide the world around you. But truth is absolutely subjective. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. You guys are absolutely wild, man. You guys are absolutely wild. Oh, my goodness. Fun fact, Indiana is the state with the largest population for marching band. Oh, my. What? True story, and that town got more than Indy 500. This is ridiculous. Chris, Chris is going to have a good day. Hey, Kalani, man, I hope Jess has a good day, but it seems like Chris might be winning the best day today. Initial donation for the... Well, I guess we're starting a We Are Claybro fund. We're starting a We Are Claybro fund. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Let the fund begin. Troll Bro 521, don't do it. Something Troll Bro. We will not be known as Troll Bro for the day. I found the rabbit hole and I'm going in. Uh-oh. He's going in, guys. Why are you being so defensive on not being the fake Clay Bro? Are you really a real Clay Bro? I don't even know anymore. True, man. It's true. If I really knew who I was, I wouldn't have to defend it. But if I'm defending it so vigorously, it might be because that I know that I'm not the real Claybro, but a side of me doesn't even know anymore if I'm the real Claybro or not the real Claybro. Oh, God, you guys are doing some reverse psychology on me for sure, man. You guys are doing some reverse psychology on me for sure. I don't even know what's going on right now. Oh, gosh. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will Claybro you. Oh, that sounds bad, dude. I like that. I like that a lot, John Jay. I like that a lot, actually. It's about time you set up an online merch store. Peter. I do have claybro.com, dude, but I'm going to tell you right now, I don't really have anything in stock at the moment. Let's see. Where are you from, bro? Let's have a drink. I drink scotch. I drink water, and I drink lemonade, and I drink some iced tea. I'm from Ohio. I gotta run to a meeting, or do I? Is it really a meeting, or am I going to? Are the people in meeting real? The chair I was sitting in, is it real? Am I talking to real humans? I'm so confused. JB, nobody knows, dude. Nobody knows. With a real clay, bro, please sit down. Thank you. I'm sitting down. I promise I'm sitting down. Oh, gosh, man. Starting to go fun. Yes, we need a fund for Claybro's bodyguard. Ryan, I like it. Guys, it is, thank goodness, Saved by the Bell, 1 o'clock. It is time to go right now. I'm pretty sure I will be back this afternoon. If I'm not, a fake Claybro will be back this afternoon. And if a fake Claybro isn't back this afternoon, somebody will be back this afternoon. But get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs and we'll be back. Clay, I'm having a great day. Thanks for asking. But you missed the 2 parts for that marching band comment. Oh, darn it. Sorry, Chris, man. Sorry. Seems like a very important comment that I will have to pick up later. Chris, remind me of it later, because I want to know more about this marching band story. Guys, we got shout-outs to JB, Pika Power, Roulette Wheel, Trollbro, Ryan, Dayon, Trollbro, Chris, Trollbro, Frank, King Mamba, Pika Power, Rozzy, Andre, D, Sky Stonify, Patrick. Initial donation to the Claybro body. We have so many different funds going on right now. We might as well be a hedge fund. We have so many different funds, we can't even keep track of all. I guarantee you, we're hedge funding it up right now. Patrick, dude, thank you very much for the donation to the Claybro Bodyguard Fund. Shoutouts to D, Sky Stonify, Patrick, Old Rounder, Ryan, Next Level, Emma D, all of you guys, Arazi, SD, Nick F, anybody else in here, Pika Power. You know what time it is. So you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Genie B! Thank you very much, Genie B. I got you right here. Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh. Genie B, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. Oh, D's coming in hot with another one too. D's, I got you, man. Hold on. D's, GDB, thank you guys very much for the super chats. We got shout outs to Keith Kemp, EM, Trollbro, Pika Power, Rozzy, Genie B, Dopey, Brian, D's, John J, Next Level, Mr. Simon, Pika Power, Emma D, Ryan, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Patrick! My goodness, you guys just keep going. Initial donation for the Claybro IPO. Well, now that we're starting a hedge fund with all these different funds, we got to have an initial donation for this fund right here to make it an IPO fund. And then we will be going public. And this is the initial donation to go public with the Claybro IPO. Gosh, dude. We need a, I'm not even going to say it. I would have said, but this is not me saying it, we're going to need a fund for somebody to keep track of all of the Claybro funds. It's getting ridiculous. Patrick, thank you very much. Ryan, Mr. Simon, Genie B, Andre, Dunnell, Rozzy, Patrick, Pudgy, King Mamba, Mr. Simon. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.